Hey, Chef Michael coming to you from my backyard, talking grilling like we like to do here on this patio. You know, maybe you've seen this technique where we take a charcoal chimney and use it to cook steaks directly, meaning we put a grate right on top of it to get that crazy good sear we like on steaks. But here's another cool technique I'm gonna show you. Char-broiled chimney steaks. So we take advantage of those hot coals, but we cook the steak from below. Check it out. So I'm starting with some chuck eye steaks because I had some in the freezer, so don't mind that the color's not cherry red. I've got them tied so they are a nice uniform shape and can fit under the footprint of a chimney starter. And I put the coals in, and just when I have them ashed over at the top, just when that ash starts to show, I'll pour half of those coals onto one side of the grill. Point is, I'm trying to create a hot zone that the steaks will be cooked under, and then put the grate on and top the steaks that are seasoned, by the way. Shake out the coals that were in the chimney, shake out any extra ash, and then set it on top to create a broiler on top while it's being grilled from the coals below also. Flip them only after about only 2 minutes, and then shake again and go ahead and put that chimney starter right back on top and get it sizzled on all sides. Beautiful char-broiled steaks ready to slice in. Enjoy. Other great steaks you can use for this, by the way, would be rib fillets. Could be strip fillets or tenderloins. Anything, again, that can fit within that smaller footprint of that chimney starter.